Now in this chapter, polygons and geometrical constructions, let's take a look at checkpoint 11.1.1 as well as 11.1.2 part A. Okay, we have actually asked to calculate the unknown values of x and y in part A. Now, let's take a look at this. Now, this particular diagram, okay, let me highlight this in yellow, alright, tells you that BC, okay, DC is actually equals to DB. Okay, which means this tells you that it is an isosceles triangle, right? Which means that CBD is technically also 53. So what's your reason? It is base angle of isosceles triangle. Okay, of which your CDB is therefore 180 minus 2 times of 53. Now again, what's the reason? Okay, angle sum of triangle. So what will you get as your answer? 74. So 74 means it is x. Okay, x degrees. Then let's take a look at y. Okay, now given this particular diagram, this angle, you will know that ADB is actually 180 minus away 74. Okay, again, adjacent angles on a straight line. Okay, which means that the answer would be 106. Okay, so okay, let me draw it out here. Okay, to apply what y would be, it will be 180 minus away 106 minus away 32. Now why? Because angle sum of triangle. Okay, so you press into calculator, what will you get eventually would be an answer of 42. Okay, so y value will be 42. Understand? Now then let's take a look at part B. Okay, B over here. Okay, now part B, it is actually, I would say, let's see, Z over, so you would have, yeah, okay, it's generally also the Z portion where you have alternate angles. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Can you see the Z? Okay, this means that this angle would be the same as this angle. Okay, so BEG, okay, plus 38 is equal to 62. Now, reason is alternate angles. Correct? So it means that BEG equals to 62 minus away 38, which will eventually give you a 24 degrees. Okay, then let's see. See, you're given a right angle triangle, right? So x value equals to 180 minus 90 minus away 24. Again, angle sum of triangle, which will eventually give you a final answer of 66 degrees. Okay? Now, in this chapter of polygons and geometrical constructions, let's take a look at checkpoint 11.1.1 as well as 11.1.2 part B. Okay, now given that AB is parallel to DC, find the values of the unknown in the following figure. Okay, so let's go towards the approach of finding D first. Okay, where you would have, okay, let me see, where you will have, sorry, B actually, in fact, B you minus, then you divide by 2. Yeah, you should find B first. So let's see. Okay, let me draw this for you. You have 1 and 2. Okay, this actually indicates that it is an interior angle. So 180 minus away 76 divided by 2 would give you a B angle. Reason? Interior angles. Because these two angles, when you add them up together, they are 180. Right? So B would be equal to 52 degrees here. Then same thing applies to this portion. So you have 180 minus away 118 divided by 2. You get a C degree. Again, interior angles. So therefore, your C angle would be 31. Okay, then once you're done, you will see this particular triangle. So let me highlight the triangle that I'm talking about. This triangle, can you see? Okay, so you would have 180 degrees minus away 52 degrees minus away 31 degree, which will give you D angle. And what's the reason? Angle sum of triangle. So therefore D angle, it is equals to 97 degrees. Okay.